Hi, I'm Andy Noble.
And I'm Deanne Noble. We're co-artistic directors of Noble Motion Dance.
We've just come out of our first rehearsal for our newest work, which will premiere in our April 24th and 25th show, Tonal Impact, a collaborative evening with Musica. This new work is unique in that we are actually creating it in silence. The whole dance will be done in silence. We're working with the dancer with no sound score, which is unusual. Usually we draw a lot of inspiration from the music. But we're working backwards. The composer, Marcus Maloney, is going to, at the end, we'll video it for him, and he will then compose the score, the musical score, based off of the video that we provide him with. And then after he's finished with the composition, he'll present it back to us, and we will then marry the two and see how the piece turns out.
Yeah, it's really exciting. It's a little bit risky. We've never worked this way before. We're not really sure what it's going to be like putting those two together, but I think it's going to be a really fun collaboration. And it's been really great to work with Musica over the past year. We've already done one collaboration with them, and in the upcoming evening, we'll have several collaborations. So it'll be a full evening of live music and dance, which is really great.
We would not be able to make the kind of work we do without generous support from donors such as yourself. The Power to Give campaign is such a wonderful opportunity that the Houston Arts Alliance is providing us, because not only is your money go straight to help pay our dancers and our artists, but it's matched dollar for dollar. And so this is a really unique opportunity that we hope you will take the time and at least, look into our project a little bit more.
And we would love to see you at the show. The performance is at the Hobby Center in Zilkha Hall, and it's April 24th and 25th. And yeah, we'd be really thrilled if you were able to support us in this project and also come and join us for the performance.
Thanks for your time.